Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to blur an image using CSS. As you can see, I got two images here. This is the actual image and this is the image that I have blurred using CSS. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. I already got an image file here, image.jpg. Let's create an index file, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need a div element. Inside this div element we need two image elements. Delete this. Source will be image.jpg. Now copy this, paste it here, give it a class. Class will be blur. Save it. Now create a style sheet here, style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select div element. Margin top will be 50 pixels. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. And gap will be 50 pixels. Select image element, give it a height of 300 pixels. Same goes in case of width. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output. Now it's time to blur this image. So let's go to CSS file. Here, use the blur class and filter property. You need to call the blur function here. Let's pass 2 pixel because I want to slightly blur the image. Save it. Go to browser and you can see the image is blurred. If you want to increase the blur, you can increase the value here. Let's make it 10. Save it. And that is the output. So depending upon your requirement, you can increase or decrease the blur value. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.